Akshara, a trainee psychologist at Abundant Life. Abundant Life offers you a lot of services and also many courses for both undergraduate and postgraduate students. It has both interactive and integrative modules. Today we are here with an intern who has been with us for over a month. So, hi Sukti Sudha, please introduce yourself.
Hi. Okay, so I am Shukti Shuddha Goswami, and I did a 1 month internship from Abundant Life. I'm a UG student. I'm currently in third year in Mount Carmel College, Bangalore.
That's great. Since you've been with us for a month, I would like to ask you, how was your experience with us?
Okay, so if I go to tell it in one word, the experience was amazing, and I got like way too much than what I expected. So it was a online internship, and as per an UG student, we really have very less scopes regarding internship. But Abundant Life has given us an amazing opportunity and a platform so that we can learn the practical aspects. Like we do know the theory and stuff in like the syllabus, but the practical aspect we can only know once we are in that field. But Abundant Life has given that opportunity to us sitting in the comfort, like from sitting in the comfort of our home. So it was really an amazing session. Both Samuel sir and Jocelyn ma'am, they are amazing teachers. They have been dealing us with like a lot of patience, and I literally like learned a lot of practical aspects, like regarding the tests and regarding the counseling and how to do it, and small things like how environment matters and how you should be very patient towards like listening, how you should nod your head and paraphrasing and stuff. So it has been an amazing experience, and I have learned a lot of things personally, and I used to look forward that when will the internship start. It just flew by and I miss it now. So yeah, it was amazing.
That's great to hear, Sukti Sudha. It's like you had an amazing experience. I can see it on your face. So I've
Thank you.
even heard that you had done offline internships. So how is this internship different from the offline internship?
So I did two offline internship before I did this online one. And my first, I was little bit worried about the fact that when I do an offline internship, we have a chance to like go to a place, like meet new people and this thing. And this is going to be an online virtual thing. So I had that fear that whether we will be able to have that connect or not. But in the very first session, that doubt was cleared, because the way Samuel sir did an introductory session and we all were asked to like talk about ourselves and why did we choose psychology and all that. In that except we knew the other people in that group. So we were like bit free that okay, we can talk. Moreover, we all the doubts which we asked, the moment we had any doubt, we could just unmute and ask, and sir and ma'am, they both cleared that. And they used to handle us with a lot of patience. So that thing also was not there. So it was an amazing, basically I didn't found any difference between the online and the offline this thing internship. They both were kind of like same. I was a bit scared, but it was literally like amazing. Sir and ma'am, they handled it with so much of this thing. I mean, it's really appreciable the way they did it.
Yeah, thank you. It's pretty glad to hear that you had a comfortable environment. You know, we are pretty proud of them.
I'm happy to be a part of it.
Yeah, we're also very happy to make you a part of our family. I would like to ask you, like, what were your personal takeaways from this course?
Okay, so I mean, it's innumerable, but to name a few, it's like I like the test portion, the how to commence the test, which Jocelyn ma'am took. That was a real gem, I think. I mean, we as I said, I'm an UG student, so we much really do, I mean, we do study about the disorders, but how to find out the etiology and the epidemiology, we don't really have that much of idea regarding that. But the way ma'am gave us the idea and how to conduct it, how to score it, and there's a format for everything. What is the format, how to make a report, the way she took that, that was really very insightful. It was very informative, and personally according to me, that was like a very important thing which I learned. And the second thing, the small tips which sir gave, which we need to keep in mind while counseling, I don't think so I could have got it from any other source, like because sir is an experienced person and he has been handling like clients like personally since years now. So the way he told that how environment matters and how you need to be like paraphrasing certain things, how you need to make a rapport building with the client, and like all those things, like the small things which is not written in any books and not even taught to us in practical classes. I got to learn those small things from like sir. These are like few things which I took away personally, apart from the other many things which I did.
Thank you so much, Shukti Sudha. It was really great to hear such a feedback from you. So I would like to
Thank you.
ask, like you have many courses online, like you might see many advertisements like we have this course and all. So what made you choose us?
Okay, so this I mean this the internship information was given to me by my college, by my psychology department teachers, and then I contacted Samuel sir, and he gave me a idea about what the course is going to be and how it will be conducted, and he also sent me a, like, in written, that what are the things which they will be covering in 1 month, and then and when I went through it, I thought it will be like, very informative with the whatever they covered, the entire thing, like it was very informative, and within 1 month getting so much of, like, knowledge, practical, that too, I thought it will be really very beneficial for me, that too in a UG. I mean, I was getting that opportunity they were giving to us, so I'm really, like, blessed to have sir and ma'am, and I'm really happy with the course.
Thank you, Suki Sudha. Thank you so much for your feedback. And yeah, we can catch up soon again. All the
Yeah,
best for
sure.
your future endeavors.
Thank you.